Hello and good evening friends, welcome to our channel. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for daily current affair and GK updates. In this video, we are going to discuss physics important GK questions which is a part of general science and are very important for all exams like SSC, banking and railways. Our first question for today is the filament of a bulb is made up of. Right answer is option C, tungsten. The filament of a bulb is made up of tungsten because tungsten has a very high melting point, that is 3695 Kelvin. Our second question is the resistance of a conductor dash and a semiconductor dash on heating. Right answer is option A, increases and decreases. The resistance of a conductor increases and a semiconductor decreases on heating. Our third question is what happens to your weight when you are in a lift which goes down? Right answer is option A, decreases. The weight decreases when the lift moves down and it increases when the lift moves up. As the lift moves down, we observe a few pseudo force which acts on the opposite direction of the weight of the body, hence the net weight decreases. As the lift moves up, we observe a pseudo force which acts on the same direction as that of the body weight, hence the net weight increases. Hence option A is correct for the third question. Our fourth question is the slope of a velocity time graph represents. Right answer is option B, acceleration. The slope of a velocity time graph represents acceleration. Our fifth question is Higgs boson is also known as. Right answer is option A, man particle. Higgs boson particle is also known as God particle. The Higgs boson is an elementary particle in the standard model of particle physics, first suspected to exist in the 1960s. It is the quantum excitation of Higgs field. Our next question is Curie is a unit of. Right answer is option D, radioactivity. Curie is a unit of radioactivity. The Curie is a unit of ionization radiation, symbolized by Ci and equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 nuclear transformation in per second. Question number 7 is what happens to the potential energy of an object when it is raised above the ground? Right answer is option B, increases. The potential energy of an object when it is raised above the ground is increases. Question number 8 is which of the following force holds protons and neutrons inside the nucleus of an atom? Right answer is option C, strong nuclear force. The known force of nature can be divided into four: gravity, electromagnetism, weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. It is the strong nuclear force which holds proton and neutron together inside an atom. Our next question is the force of attraction or repulsion between 2-point charges at rest is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Which of the following law implies the statement presented here? Right answer is option D, Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is an important concept in static electricity. According to it, the force of attraction or repulsion between 2-point charges at rest is directly proportional to the product of magnitude of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Also, this force acts on the line joining the two charges. Our next question is what is the range of wavelength of electromagnetic spectrum between which light lies? Right answer is option C, 3500 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. Light is a form of energy which is propagated as electromagnetic waves. In the spectrum of electromagnetic waves, it lies between ultraviolet and infrared region and has wavelength between 3500 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. Our next question is what is the SI unit of pressure? Right answer is option A, Pascal. Pressure is defined as force acting on unit area of the surface. Formula of pressure P is equal to normal force on surface F divided by area of the surface A. Hence the SI unit of pressure is N by meter square, also called as Pascal. Next question is what would happen to the weight of a body in a lift moving upward with uniform speed? Right answer is option C. Apparent weight is equal to the true weight. Weight of a body depends on the force of gravity acting upon it. In a lift, stationary or moving with uniform speed, the apparent weight of the body is equal to its true weight, because here the weight will be calculated as. Question number 13 is, sound waves are produced by? Right answer is option C. Vibrating bodies. Sound is produced when something is vibrate. The vibrating body causes the medium like water, air around it to vibrate. Our second last question is, when a particle moves along a straight path, then the particle has? Right answer is option A. Tangential acceleration only. The acceleration of a particle at any instant moving along a circular path in a direction tangential to that instant is known as tangential component of acceleration or tangential acceleration. Our last question for today is, dispersion process forms spectrum due to white light falling on a prism, the light wave with shortest wavelength? Right answer is option A. Refracts the most. Dispersion process forms spectrum due to white light falling on a prism, the light wave with shortest wavelength refract the most.